equal things and have fair things to live for the future. What are the SDGs? This first, no poverty. Everybody has to be no poverty. Zero hunger. Everybody has to have equal food, good health and well-being. Quality education. Everybody has to be good in education. Gender equality. Girl and boy has to have same equality. Clean water and sanitization. Everybody has to have clean water, affordable and clean energy, decent work and economic growth, industry innovation.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Saad and I'm from grade 4B. Today we all are going to be presenting you the biodiversity in Qatar. Well, this is very interesting and it's very exciting too at the moment. Well, when we hear the phrase biodiversity in Qatar, we say, okay, what is biodiversity? Anyways, when we are learning, we should know the words. So the biodiversity is the variety of life on our planet Earth. But we're really talking about a specific something that is called, well, Qatar. Well, in that case, what is Qatar anyway? Well, Qatar is a peninsula located on the west bank of the Arabian Gulf and is connected by land to Saudi Arabia and Serbian border. It has a arid climate, hot between June and August, and very pleasant between November and February. The average maximum and minimum temperatures being 31 degrees Celsius and 22 degrees Celsius respectively. Now that we've learned that, let's move on to the topic a little deeper. Well, biodiversity. Biodiversity inventory indicates that about 78% of terrestrial in Qatar are rare. 8 species of mammals, 242 species of birds, 29 reptilian species, only 1 amphibian compared to them, and 228 species of invertebrates have been recorded in the terrestrial ecosystems of the country so far. Well, okay, why are we learning this topic? Well, it's because of YLP, and in that case, what is YLP? YLP is Youth Leadership Program. Why does this school means TNG Nuaija campus celebrate YLP anyways? Well, the school wants us to be responsible global citizens.
Biodiversity in Qatar. Good morning everyone, my name is Wani and today I am going to tell you about biodiversity in Qatar. First, what is biodiversity? Biodiversity is the variety of life all around us. Biodiversity matters to us because we are living because of biodiversity. If we are
What is the importance of biodiversity? The importance of biodiversity is when we humans respect about the animals and the plants and we help them. What is the loss of biodiversity? There is lots of loss in biodiversity because of us humans, because we don't care about them and we all are not responding good to that. We are making lots of things, that's why the nature is not there. to present about dugong or sea cow. The tropical and subtropical waters in the Indian and Pacific Oceans. However, most of the dugongs occur in the Australian northern water.
Did you know that the Arabian oryx can detect rainfall and it moves towards the rainfall? And the antlers of the Arabian oryx are 70 to 75 centimeters long.
Oryx is a genus Arabian animal. It is mostly found in Qatar. It is the national animal of Qatar. What is the habitat of an oryx? The habitat of an oryx is the desert. They love to live in the hot desert. It's really very hot. Why is the Arabian oryx important? The Arabian oryx is the largest desert mammals on this land, and most of the people likes to see the oryx because they are the national animal of Qatar. Are oryx herbivores? Oryx is an herbivores because they eat plants and fruits, and they likes to eat plants and fruits.
In GCC or in Arab countries, there are many falcons. Arabs are using many species of falcons for hunting as a part of their culture and heritage. So, the Saker falcon, S-A-K-E-R, Saker falcon, that is the favorite falcon of Arabs. And the Shaheen falcon, that means peregrine falcon, that is the fastest falcon which the Arabs are using as a part of their culture and heritage. So, the Saker falcon, S-A-K-E-R, Saker falcon, that is the favorite falcon of Arabs. And the Shaheen falcon, that means peregrine falcon, that is the fastest falcon which the Arabs are using for the falcon.
The falcon is a very important bird as it had been used as a hunting tool because of its sharp eyesight. The falcon is faster than any other animal on earth. This is a picture of a falcon. Features of birds. Birds have a beak. Birds have hollow bones to fly. Birds migrate to other countries. Species of bird. Qatar include a total of 211 species of bird.
Or losing her abilities to properly fly. Yet with a process called imping, specialists measure a replacement feather for size and color, which allows her to spread her wings balanced once again. Jassim says he brings Farah here because family deserves the best care.
At the end of the day, the problem is about to kill. It's considered like one of his children.
Mangrove. Qatar is home to Grand Rush Mangrove Tree. The mangrove is found in shallow coastal waters and is favorite of camels. A haven for birds, fishes, and mammals. This is a picture of mangrove trees. Qatar. Qatar is the national flower of Qatar, mainly found near the coast. The beautiful pink and lilac flowers can be found inside houses and almost everywhere.
My name is Ayesha and today I am going to present about the biodiversity of plants in Qatar. Some of the national
Some of the plants in Qatar. Sidra tree, national tree of Qatar. Qatar, national flower. Date palms and palm trees. Sidra tree, national tree of Qatar. The sidra tree growing strong and proud in the harshest of environments has been a symbol of preservance and nourishment across the borders of the Arab world. What is the significance of this glorious tree? With its roots bound in the soil of this world and its branches reaching upwards towards perfection, it is a symbol of solidarity and determination. It reminds us that goals of this world are not incompatible with the goals of this Qatar, national flower of Qatar. The Qatar has been founded few years ago. The Qatar is pink and lilac in color. The Qatar can be found in houses and mostly decorated in houses. They grow trees in Qatar, around which 500,000 are located in
Migration involves the movement of people from one place to another with intentions of settling permanently or temporarily at new location, geographic region. Here are some images.
Like this one over here. Before there were so many fishes, but now there are none. Why? This is all because of water pollution. Thank you.
Now let's get to the main topic. How does pollution affect biodiversity in Qatar? From water pollution in Qatar by littering in water and water slippers. Air pollution in Qatar by factories and vehicles. Land pollution in Qatar by littering and not taking care of the environment.
To be doing the conclusion. Well, the first part is the Arabian oryx. Well, the final disappearance of the Arabian oryx from the wilds represents a significant loss for biodiversity, both regionally and globally. But the events also galvanized conservation effects that led through captive breeding programs to the restoration of the Arabian oryx into the Arabian Gulf. Well, let's talk about coral reefs today. Coral reefs in Qatar, and this was actually the presentation of Rashid, but conclusion. Coral reefs are not plants. They are animals, and by that, living animals. They are home to many sea creatures, and the coral reefs make great hiding places for example, fishes and crabs. For their, when shark comes, they can hide there, so their prey. And they